Hi, welcome back to Wine Mastery. And this is an impromptu video where we just thought to ourselves, do wine glasses really matter? Do posh wine glasses make a difference? Or can you just drink out of any glass and it's the same? And we're told that it does make a difference.
Well, I think part of this is one of the wines we just rating was at a barefoot, and it was £8. But obviously, John has his beautiful glasses from Glass Vin.
Glass Vin, yeah.
Glass Vin,
the American company.
Yeah, beautiful, delicate, elegant, and the wine was £8, and we tasted it, we enjoyed it, gave it a really good score and everything. But then when we turned the cameras off, we thought, is it because the glass is beautiful? Can that really make a difference? Which we've heard, on many occasions. So we thought, let's give it a go. So we thought we'd make another little video with an ordinary tumbler, I'll show that on there, so to speak, and then the delightful wine glass, which of course is elegant and delicious. It gives you that, there is a theatre to it, isn't there? The whole how it looks, and I remember
it feels.
Yes, I remember saying how elegant it looks in that glass and delicious. So and then we've got this, but for all intents and purposes, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
So
it's glass.
So we thought let's have a go. Let's have a go at nose.
Okay.
Which we're going to do.
I'm going to do this one first.
Doing tumbler first.
Yeah. And then I'm going to go straight back to back.
Back to back.
Yeah, this is more pronounced.
Oh, obviously so, isn't it?
Actually, it's more complex as well.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow, that's really
I never
surprising.
thought that would make so much of a difference.
No.
I mean, why is that?
I can only assume it's the shape and the way that it sort of funnels up the aromas.
I'm going to have to change. I can't swish it with that one, though.
No, that's...
Yeah, it's definitely dulled down in that one, isn't it?
It definitely is.
There's the only way I can use to describe is dulled down compared to then this. I mean, it has got that is very different. It is very different. So
yeah, it is more powerful, but there is more aroma there, and also it is more complex.
Yeah, do you think? There's a bigger surface area.
Yeah, there is a bigger surface area, and it's obviously tapered at the top, so it channels the aromas up towards the nose.
Yeah. Okay, so obviously next beggars let's have a little taste. Which
I'm going to tumbler first.
Tumbler first. I find, go on.
I was going to say, trying to put some numbers on it. In terms of the aroma, if I said this one, let's just take this as a 10, I'd say that this one was, the posh, inverted commas, wine glass was giving me a 10. I'd say the tumbler was giving me a 6. Yeah,
I'd have gone down to 5, but I completely appreciate that, yeah.
And actually, if I said that on taste, if this wine glass was the Glass Vin was giving me a 10, I'd say this was giving me 7.
It's definitely up to the game on the difference isn't quite as big on the
taste.
On the palate, yeah, but the actual the nose. But and then is that because when you're in this big glass, you're inhaling and.
But you have to say that in terms of getting that amount of improvement in terms of wine, you'd probably be talking about paying 30 to 40% more.
It's definitely a noticeable thing, and like we were saying, it's £8. Is it nicer because it's in there? And like you're saying, that so the glass definitely does make a difference in how you receive the wine.
So actually, there's an ROI to this.
An ROI? Oh yeah, go on.
It's a return on investment.
Okay.
So you spend the money on the glass, which is expensive glass. I can't remember how much these are. I'll put it in the notes below. But actually, if you're saving 30% by actually buying wine that's 30% cheaper, then actually there's a return on investment on the glass because you're going to actually save money in the long run.
Yeah, because you have to fork out so much for your wine.
No, exactly.
Oh, nobody should have told him this. Nobody should have told him. Oh, why did we do this video? But no, that actually was. I can't believe I've never done that before, and that actually surprised me quite a lot.
Yeah, it did me as well. I mean, I was expecting it, to be honest. I know I was psyching myself up for it, but I don't think so because, as you said, I was surprised by how big the difference was.
Yes.
Yeah. Excellent. Well, that was a short and sweet video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And it was interesting for us. I hope it was interesting for you. Until the next time, guys, we'll see you there. Chin chin.
Chin chin. Oh, maybe we should do it with tumblers today.
Oh, yeah. Maybe it's the only chance we get.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.